everyone, today we'll learn about another concept of accounting. There are two concepts, cash discount and trade discount, and solvent business versus insolvent business. So the word versus means these concepts are opposite. So cash discount and trade discount are opposite, and solvent business and insolvent business are opposite. Okay. So first let us understand what is a cash discount and trade discount. So what is a discount? When you go in a shop, the shopkeeper, whatever amount he tells, he will reduce it to a certain amount. Okay, so the amount that he reduced, okay, that will be called as a discount. So if I was supposed to buy a product which was 100 rupees, and the shopkeeper gave the same product to me at 80 rupees, so the 20 rupees, that difference which I get, 100 minus 80, that 20 rupees will be called as a discount. Okay, I hope you all know this. And then there are two types of discounts in this. Okay, you all got what is discount. So there are two types of discounts now: cash discount and trade discount. So what is a cash discount and what is a trade discount? Cash discount is when it is given to customers for early payment of dues. Okay, so if I go in a grocery store and if I pay that 100 rupees, whatever the product was costing, if I pay that 100 rupees, immediately the shopkeeper gives me a discount. Why? He gives me that discount to encourage prompt payment. What is prompt payment? For quick payments. Okay, so that I don't delay my dues and I pay it immediately as soon as possible. Okay, for example, seller offering 2% discount on a bill of rupees 10,000 for early payment. Okay, so 10,000, the cost of the product was 10,000. He gave me 2% discount. Okay, what is 2% of 10,000? That is 200. Okay, so 10,000 minus 200, my actual price that I will pay will be 9,800. Okay, so this is cash discount. And what is trade discount? This is given to all the customers by default. Okay, here cash discount is given only to those customers who paid the dues immediately. Trade discount is given to any customer. You pay the money immediately or no, that is not a factor in trade discount. Okay, so when it is given at the time of sale to attract bulk buyers. Okay, so this trade discount is given when the seller wants to sell more and more of his products. Okay, so for example, say I'm a shopkeeper and I realize that my sales are not very high, and I want to compete, right, in the society, in the with the other shopkeepers as well. So what I will do is I will give trade discount to my to my customers. Okay, so you buy products from me, I will give you trade discount. So it is not recorded in the books of accounts. Why it's not recorded? It's not recorded because this is given to all the customers. Okay, this is by default that I'm giving, and it does not affect my business. Okay, matlab, it does not affect means it does not affect my other factors except sales. My sales is affecting because it's increasing. Due to trade discount, my customers will come and buy more and more of the products, which will increase my sales. Other than sales, it's not affecting my business. So therefore, it's not recorded in the books. Example, wholesaler giving 10% discount on an order of 100 mobile phones. So a wholesaler, who is a wholesaler who sells goods in bulk. So vegetable, sabji mandi and all, you must have heard. You go and they sell their vegetables in bulk. Okay, so in large quantities but at lower prices. Okay, so this wholesaler, he wants to sell his mobile phones. So he gives an offer that if you buy 100 mobile phones, I will give you 10% discount. So for example, say one mobile phone is of 20,000. So 100 mobile phones will cost me 2 lakhs. 20 lakhs. So that 20 lakhs, he will give me 10% discount. Okay. So my 2 lakhs will be deducted, I will have to pay only 18 lakhs. Okay, so what it does, it's increasing its sales. The wholesalers sales are increasing, and we are also getting benefit, like we don't have to pay the actual payment. Okay, now this cash discount and trade discount is used in real life. Where it's used, these are just examples, you can come up with other examples as well. So real life examples, first example is bank offering low rate of interest for early loan payment. So bank wants to initiate prompt payment of loans. Okay, prompt means quick. So the bank wants its loan its loan to be repaid as soon as possible. Okay, so what it does, it reduces the interest rate. So the interest rate was 8%. The bank offers 7.5% interest rate if you pay the loan quickly. Then second example, this was of cash discount. Okay, this is the cash discount that the banks give. Second example is trade discount. What is trade discount? Supermarkets give the offer of buy one get one free. So this is for bulk selling. Okay, the wholesaler, the supermarket wants their goods to be sold in bulk. So if you go in a clothes garment shop, they will tell you, if you buy one t-shirt, I will give you another t-shirt for free. Okay, so this is trade discount. Now I hope your discount, cash discount and trade discount, all three concepts are clear. Now I will move on to another concept, that is solvent business versus insolvent business. So solvent business means more assets than liabilities. Now what are assets, what are liabilities, that I will tell you in the next videos. But for now, instead of assets you take income, instead of liabilities you take expenditures. So your income is more than your expenditure, that is solvent business. Why solvent? Because you are able to repay all the loans or the dues that you are liable for. Okay, so if I have to pay rupees 10,000 to someone, the person who I'm paying will check my solvency. Like if I have 5 lakhs and as assets, and my dues are rupees 2 lakhs, so that 3 lakhs will I will have in surplus, right? So my business is solvent in nature. Okay, because I will have I can pay my dues, that was 2 lakhs. In insolvent business, this is ulta, this is opposite. Okay, so my dues are more than my income, whatever money I have, it is more than my money. So I have rupees 2 lakhs in my account and I have to pay rupees 5 lakhs. So I don't have that much money to pay, right? So my assets will be, in case of solvent business, my assets will be 5 lakhs, my liabilities will be 2 lakhs. In insolvent business, my liabilities will be 5 lakhs and my assets will be 2 lakhs. Here I cannot pay my debts. So this is insolvent business. Why insolvent business? Because you cannot pay your money. Now, whenever you are declared as insolvent, all that court and all that whatever you say jhanjat is there. Okay, so always make sure you pay your debts on time and you manage your assets well. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this video, and thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.